Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Sean. So I'm in here in the craft room working on an order, working on things for upcoming craft fair, and I just got a package that I wanted to unbox with y'all. So this will be just like a quick little video just showing you some of the items that I got, and then if my shirt does finish, I'll also show you the order that I'm working on too. So let me get this up here. So I reached out to Econotransfer and was like, hey, I need some of your HTV glitter because I'm working on some more applique patches using glitter HTV that I already had from Econotransfer, but I needed more colors. So they sent me a box of stuff. I didn't even pick these colors. I was just like, hook me up. And that's what they did. So let's unbox these. So this one is Econo Glitter, and this is the Halo Glow Gold, Hollow Gold. And so that is that one. Loving it, loving it. And then, ooh, Neon Rainbow Blue. So let me open this one up. Oh, this one, yeah. I'm gonna use this today. I'll be using this next, actually. This one, yes. Let's see what else we have here. This is the Hollow Pink. Love it. But I'm still stuck on this blue. That is beautiful. Oh, I'm already liking this one. This has to be neon. Neon Rainbow Pink. And let me open this one up. So that's how that one is looking. That is nice. I'm loving these neon colors. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Ooh, rainbow yellow. So let's see here. That is how that one looks. I can't wait to use these. I already have some designs that I digitized that I'm ready to stitch out. I was just waiting for the glitter to come. It's here now. And once I finish with this order, you already know what I'm about to be doing. This one, Rainbow White. Yes. So that is the Rainbow White. This is pretty. Y'all, I absolutely love Econotransfer's HTV glitters. Well, I like all their vinyl, but I'm a huge fan of HTV glitter, always have been. And just the amount of vinyl that you get for your money with Econo, you can't beat it. Hollow Silver, like in this one too. This one is really nice. So that's Hollow Silver. And I got one more. Throw that over there for now. Hollow Orange, yes. And this is pretty. This is, I want to say it's a cross in between like a burnt orange, and it's not a neon, but yeah, it kind of reminds me more of a burnt orange, and I love it. So that is the Hollow Orange. So they hooked me up. I didn't know what colors I was getting, but I am happy with the color selection. Thank you, James from Econotransfer. I appreciate you for always hooking me up. So again, the Hollow Gold. Get all this stuff out the way. The Hollow Silver. And the pink, the Hollow Pink. And I did specifically ask for their hollow and rainbow glitter HTV. So that's why I got these particular ones that I did, but they do have more colors as well. And then this is the rainbow white, and then the hollow gold, the rainbow yellow. Show you that one again. I like this one too. That one looks nice. I actually have some shoes with some yellow in it, so I'll probably be using this one today too. And then the neon pink, which I absolutely love. This would look good. I actually have an idea because I have their pink glow in the dark to use that with the glitter. Yeah, the wheels are turning. And the blue. This one, yeah. You can't go wrong with this neon blue. So those are all the HTVs that I got from Econo today, and I cannot wait to use these. Cannot wait. And this white rainbow, that one's really pretty as well. And so in addition to the patches, I'm gonna just put this back here. I've also been working on some keychains that I've been testing out. This one, it kind of smeared. I did kind of move it a little bit, so I'm gonna have to redo this one. But using some polyester webbing, I'm able to sublimate on keychains. This one, I love how this one turned out. Oops, just dropped that. I'll get that in a minute. And then this is just another purple one. And then I made this zebra print, but it kind of smeared because I was picking to see. This is the first one I did, so I was kind of picking to see, like, did it press good? And yeah, I messed it up, but whatever. I have 50 yards, so I'm good. So working on that for the craft fair. Some patches, which I may or may not include on the craft or part of the craft fair. I'll probably just do some regular iron-on patches and have those for sale as well. But I do now have these on my website. I will be adding some more over the next few days as well. So if you're interested in the iron-on glitter applique patches, those are on my website, and I'll have it linked below, as well as Econo's website. Also, if you use my discount code AllThingsSean, you will get 10% off your order. So definitely check them out. Even if you're not looking for HTV glitter, they have every color. They have HTVs I didn't even know existed. They also have DTF supplies. They have inks, film, and the powder as well. So let me see how much longer we have on this shirt. So it's about another 14 minutes on the shirt. So what I'll do is most likely just post a short to just show you guys how it turned out, and as well as the hat that I did as well. So the hat and the shirt are gonna be a set. And so I just finished this up and then switched out my brackets, and then now I'm making the shirt. And so get this back in here, and then I'll get all this stuff cleaned, or get my shirt cleaned up, get it boxed up, and get this off to the post office. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my package from Econo, because I didn't know what I was getting, but I'm very, very happy with what I got. And I can't wait to use these colors to make some more of these cute patches. And if you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. I will definitely respond. Be sure to check out Econotransfer. You will not be disappointed. Also, check out their YouTube channel. They pretty much do videos showing you how to use basically every vinyl that they have. Or if you have a question, you can message them on Instagram or send them an email or even call, and they'll be happy to help. So definitely check them out. All right, guys, so I won't hold you for 14 minutes while this shirt is finishing up. Well, 12 minutes now, but it is looking really good. So I'll make sure to post it on the community tab, or I might be doing a short or something like that on it too, so you can see the finished result. But I'll check y'all out in the next video. Bye.